Entero ESD PEKK-based thermoplastic filament is a material known for its great wear resistance, high heat deflection temperature, low outgassing performance, and consistent ESD properties. Hi, I'm Patrick Price, a senior research engineer here at Stratasys, to talk to you about Entero 840CN03, also known as Entero ESD due to its electrostatic dissipative properties. This property allows electrostatic charge to flow to ground in a more controlled manner than a conductive material would, while still preventing electrostatic buildup as compared to an insulative material. Let's take a look at two Entero ESD applications. The first is this pie-shaped piece, which is the docking hatch cover for the Orion class of spacecraft. What makes Entero ESD appealing for this application is that it allows the manufacturer, Lockheed Martin, to produce the part with the outgassing and ESD performance needed. Entero ESD allows for the part to be produced much more quickly in one piece without the need for additional post-processing to achieve ESD performance. The impact is a significant savings on the cost and production schedule. The other application that we're going to discuss today is this electronics box which houses sensitive circuits. You'll notice that it has an interesting shape to it. That's because it was designed using topology optimization. Topology optimization only puts material where it's needed to contain the components as well as carry the mechanical loads. Manufacturing an organic shape like this using other fabrication methods would be difficult and expensive, sometimes not even possible. 3D printing it with Entero ESD makes it possible to do, easier, faster, and for a lower cost than machining or injection molding, all while achieving the ESD performance you need. ESD values for this material range from 10 to the 4th to 10 to the 9th ohms per square, offering a very low risk of creating a static discharge. This makes the material a perfect fit for high requirement, electrically sensitive applications. Entero ESD is also a very low outgassing material. Outgassing occurs when substances trapped in the polymer are released in the form of a gas. This can be critical in high cleanliness requirement industries such as medical and space. Entero ESD is a PEKK-based thermoplastic, which is a polyether ketone material. Entero ESD has a heat deflection temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, which is 301 degrees Fahrenheit, with the test being performed at 66 psi. Entero 840CN03 uses a custom breakaway support material and is available on the Fortis 450 MC and F900 3D printers.